Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khati Wahid and I scored 194 out of 200 marks in MDCAT, which is overall 4th in Pakistan. My FSC score was 1080 out of 1100 and TopGrade was a part of my MDCAT journey. TopGrade is a great platform created by Dr. Muazzam, and the thing that attracted me the most about it was the question bank and that we can generate our own test. TopGrade gives you various categories to choose from, and you can also choose the difficulty level of your test. It provides you with past questions from NUMS, UHS, AQ, etc. Moving forward, you can choose the chapter that you want. The chapters are also marked according to their importance and weightage. Then you can also choose the subtopics for the chapter. Upon selecting an option, you get to know whether it is correct or not. You also get the explanation for that answer. And another good feature is that you can watch videos and slides related to that topic so that you can clarify your concept. Some other useful features provided are study schedules, according to which you can mold your MDCAT preparation. TopGrade also provides you with full-length papers and support material to boost your MDCAT preparation. You can go to www.TopGrade.pk and claim your free trial for TopGrade and see for yourself. Thank you.
हजारों स्टूडेंट्स फिजिकल एकेडमीज को क्विट करके टॉप ग्रेड ऑनलाइन एकेडमी को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अब आपकी उस्ताद है टॉप ग्रेड।